So, as I showed you before, I've chosen little googly eyes for my puppet. You can also use buttons, and here's an example of button eyes. The advantage to using googly eyes, however, is they're just a little bit easier. It takes a little more time to sew a button, and you have to know how to sew a button. So if you're not very sewingly inclined, I would suggest getting googly eyes. And googly eyes come in two forms. One is with a sticky back that's sort of like a sticker that you can peel off the back, or like these, which actually just have a plain plastic back. So I chose these because all you need is a little bit of glue, and it's going to be a lot more durable than the sticky back, which will probably just come right off a sock. So just take your glue and right where I've drawn the dots, see how this drawing the dots really helps out. I'm just going to put two small dots of glue. Not too big, because when you put the googly eye on, it's going to squish the glue out a little bit. So you just need a tiny dot of glue and just place it on top, press and hold for about 30 seconds. And you can already start to see what it's going to look like.